Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we'll be taking a look at the Ninebot Kickscooter Air T15 by Segway. It is the most compact, lightweight, and energy-efficient kickscooter made to date. With its futuristic design, you're able to fold it in half with one click, bringing it down to 8.7 inches tall, and then when you're ready to ride, give it one more click. 1 second later, you're able to swing the arms out, and you're ready to ride. The Air T15 has 4 riding modes: pedestrian, which goes at 3.7 miles per hour, energy saving at 6.2 miles per hour, standard mode at 9.3 miles per hour, and sport at 12.4. At the back end of the scooter, you have a multi-function fender. It acts as a power switch and foot brake. A double press will switch your riding modes. Single press will turn on and off the headlamp, and then a long press can turn it on and off, or use it to brake when you're riding. On the handlebar, you have an accelerator on the right-hand side, press down to go. The left-hand side is your brake. And then if you press both at the same time, it'll act as a horn. And again, you're able to use the fender as a brake. On the left side of the scooter, you have your kickstand, which also hides the power input to charge the scooter. Now, one thing I love about Segway is how innovative they are, and that goes all the way down to the packaging. Inside the box, when you receive your kickscooter, actually comes its own stand. You're able to place your kickscooter on top. You can intertwine the cables and power brick inside of the stand and then plug it in. So you're able to stand up your kickscooter with ease, or you can also charge it when it's down on the ground. If I haven't said it already, the Air T15 is beautifully designed from the handlebars all the way down to its wheels. On the front, you have a customizable light bar with many colors and scenarios. You can choose monochromatic, full color, or emergency lights. To start your ride on the Air T15, all you gotta do is bring up the kickstand, give it a push, and you're ready to go. The feature highlights are 180-degree foldability, retractable handlebar, 4 riding modes, bezel-less dashboard, IPX4 weather resistance, built-in front and rear LED lights, cruise control, power switch / fender brake, and Bluetooth connectivity. Now, I am 5'10" and I wanted to bring over my friend Jay. He is 6'4". I wanted to show him the scooter, see how comfortable of a ride it is. I do know that the handlebar height is a little bit lower than some other competing scooters, but as you can see here, he is actually riding this and he's super comfortable. Asked him before and after the ride if he's ever ridden some scooters. He's had some experience. Then I asked him how he felt with this scooter here. He says nothing was pulling, he was not leaning forward, and everything just seemed comfortable and natural. Now, taking a look versus competing scooters out there, you can see just the futuristic design, how much time was put into this, just how beautiful the wheels, the fenders, the lights, and just all around the way it looks, and especially that bezel-less dashboard. Just as flawless as the scooter itself, the unboxing was nice. You're able to open everything up. Everything was sitting in its own compartment. You also have the internals that is being able to be used as its own kickscooter stand. Once you pull out the kickscooter, you're able to pull off the protective film. You're able to set it down with the kickstand. Now, inside of the foam on the end is actually the user manual, the plug, and also fender replacements. Now, just like any other product out there, there's always room for improvements, and so that critique will come up right after we take a look at their Kickstarter page. You can still back this product. There is 30 days left for you to save 24%. So the original price of the Air T15 will go on sale for $749, but you're able to get it at $569 within these 30 days left of the Kickstarter campaign. So taking a look at their page, looking at some of their power and performance motor, a little bit more details that we didn't cover just yet in this video. The performance, the max speed is 12.4 miles per hour with a max range of 7.5 miles. It's able to take a 15% grade max slope. As for the motor, it's made with magnetic and silicone steel, and it has a powerful 250-watt hub motor. The brushless motor controller is embedded with cutting-edge vectoring control technology and equipped with low voltage, over voltage, and disconnect protection. The battery is 21,700 automotive-grade power lithium-ion battery, which provides more energy and power as well as runtime. It's the same battery that's used for new energy vehicles. As for the tires, they have radial hollow tires to provide maximum comfort. Internal support technology for better shock absorption, and a tread pattern design provides superior ground grip and stability when turning directions. So here is the area for improvement, and that is the turning radius when it's parked. Now when you ride the scooter, you're perfectly fine, but when it comes down to turning this around in your garage, if you're trying to turn it around on a sidewalk, you can see the limited space here, which means for a large radius to actually do a complete turn. So it actually takes the full parking spot to turn this scooter around. Some other competing products out there is able to turn much quicker on a dime, but that's my only area for improvement. But I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you guys want to support this Kickscooter, click on the link inside the description below. You have 30 days to save 24%. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit on that like button. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe.